y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with this I never know what to call my looks. I just know it's colorful and it's very summery-ish. Today's video is sponsored by Yummy Cosmetics. She was kind enough to send me over her Blissful Treat palette, but guess what, y'all? Not only was she kind enough to send one for me, she also sent one for one of you guys. Oh, and something else she sent me that was so cute. She sent me some real cotton candy. Y'all know how hard it was to not eat this? I had to wait until I recorded this video. So make sure you guys stay tuned to get the rules on how you can win one of these palettes. Also, how I got this look using the palette and how well it performs and how pigmented it is and just all of that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my, I'm sorry if I sound like a man, okay, I'm sick, so. But I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my LA Girl Concealer in medium beige. So, dipping into the palette I just showed you guys from Yummy Cosmetics. It's called a Blissful Treat. It looks like this, really creative. It is shaped like cotton candy. And the first color I'm going to be grabbing is the shade Treats, which is bright red. I'm using the E18 brush from Morphe. You guys know that I do like to pack my colors on, pretty much build the pigmentation up first before I start blending it. So I'm just gonna pack this in my crease until it's as bold as I want it to be, and then we're gonna go back and blend. So this is the same palette I used in my 4th of July look, and thank you guys so much for the amount of like love. Oh my gosh, I got so much support in the video. But this is the same palette, and I was showing you guys like how pigmented that blue was out of there, and you guys can just see now like all the colors are just bomb, like they're all showing up great so far. Okay, so now that we have all of the red packed on, I'm going to take the shade Bubblegum, which is this bright pink, and I'm going to use the M506 from Morphe to blend that out. So on camera you can't really see the difference between the colors, but they blend flawlessly into each other. Before we go in with the yellow, I'm going to put a little bit more of Treat, which is that red. And then I'm going to take the same brush, not picking up any more of the pink, but I'm just going to blend these two together. And now I'm going to take the shade Banana, which is obviously, you guys can tell from the name, but this very bright yellow. I'm taking the same M506, and I'm going to just lightly blend this into the pink, and we're going to get like this very orange color. I'm going to take a makeup remover wipe and wipe off like where I would usually cut my crease, just because I don't want my base that I'm cutting my crease with to mix with the pink. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease halfway with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade F1. Oh my gosh, that sounds so bad. Okay, so I'm grabbing some more of Treat to blend out this corner. And then I'm going to grab some more of the pink, but this time I'm using a E36, which is a very small shader brush, I guess. I don't really know. But I'm going to kind of wing it around like I'm creating eyeliner. And I just did it so backwards. I took a translucent powder and I set my eyelid. Probably should have did that first. But I'm going to grab some of Banana really quick and tap some of that excess off and kind of lightly blend it in with the pink to kind of create orange again. In the Airspin translucent powder. I'm gonna take some of banana and put it right here. Okay, so that's it for the eyelid. But for lashes today, I'm using these lashes from Fearless Faces. They're in the style Vixen. I just want you guys to see her packaging. Like, it just slides like in and out. I will link her Instagram down below along with her website. So yep, these are in the style Vixen from Fearless Faces. Extra just like me. Okay, I'm gonna line my waterline really quick with some black eyeliner. And then jumping back into our Blissful Treat palette, I'm gonna pick up the shade Cloudy, which is this very amazing blue. This is by far my favorite blue. Like, did y'all see how pigmented this was in my last video? This is my favorite blue now. And I was going through like my James Charles palette and everything, and they don't have like a vibrant blue like this. I don't even think the Take Me Back to Brazil palette has one like. I don't even think the Take Me Back to Brazil palette has one that's this vibrant, at least a matte one anyway. But I really love this blue, so I'm taking this one and I'm gonna smudge it out underneath my lashes or in my waterline. Y'all get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take the shade Mint, this very shimmery green. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eye. Okay, I'm trying to see if I want to do something to my lips. I think I'm going to take this NYX lip liner in the shade Mauve and, of course, line my lips. Okay, now I'm going to take some lip gloss. This is the NK Makeup lip gloss or lip gel from the beauty spot store. Literally $1, the best one in the world. It has all the essential oils that you need. It's super glossy, super sticky, so that's me. I'm going to highlight really quick with this eyeshadow. You already know I use eyeshadow all the time. This one is from the Root Pro Balloons palette. And I don't know what it is. Something about eyeshadow just shine a little different. Like, it just glow a little different compared to highlighters. Maybe because I don't really buy highlighters, so I don't really know. But I just know I like it, so. Then I'm also going to take the same color and put a little bit up under my eyebrow. Okay, so like I was telling y'all earlier, she was nice enough to send me a palette for me and then one for one of you guys. So all you have to do is comment your Instagram name down below. And then I need you guys to head over to Instagram and follow her at Yummy Cosmetics with 1 underscore at the end. So it's Yummy Cosmetics underscore. And then also follow me, which is, what's my username? It's _.Kirsten with 2 N's. But I'll put it on the screen and also link it down below. So here's the palette that one of you guys will be receiving. And then here's mine. So I'm having a whole conversation with y'all, and I have not even dusted the powder off my face. But like I was saying, this giveaway is US only, but my 10K subscriber giveaway will be international. So yeah, just follow me, follow her, and comment your Instagram name down below. But yeah, I thought that was really kind of her to offer to send me to. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more looks. And I will see you guys in my next one.